This is 32, Essential Elements Quiz. We're going to go up the D scale, whereas the last one, 31, we went down. So we're going to start on open D, and we're going to go up to the A string, 4th finger. We're going to just walk it up, finger by finger. The only finger we skip is 2nd finger, because that's F natural on the D string and C natural on the A string. And in this scale, we need the sharp, F sharp, and 3rd finger, C sharp. Here we go, number 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger,